Right, in this video, we're going to show how to select a guideline. Guideline is used to show you how far away the edge of either side of your blade or the center of your blade is to the line you select on the screen. So edge of pavement, and also how to offset that line. So to do that, we would go into Tools, Guideline Options, and we want to do Pick from Graphics. So you'll have a polyline file loaded that your office has created. So we'll select the one that the office has given you and hit Pick Polyline. So if we zoom in, it's going to zoom us into our machine. This dark yellow one is one I picked earlier. So I'm going to choose this other side, this other edge of pavement. So here we can enter in a horizontal offset. So we wanted to offset it, say -4 feet. So it will be 2 foot behind the back. We can give it a name if it's one we're going to use often. So that way you can just quickly select it. But we'll just hit go here. So now it's giving us an offset line 4 foot behind the EP. And it's telling us we got 18 foot to get the right edge of our blade to that line. So, if we were actually grading in this direction, we'd want it off the left edge. So you can do this two ways on your panel. You'll have buttons off here to the side. If you just push the left or right arrows, it'll move this reference point. From the screen, we can hit Tools and Blade Settings. And we have a blade reference point. We're just going to switch it to left. So now it's giving you your guide to it. As you steer the machine over, this arrow will shrink and the numbers will correspond to how far away you are from it. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.